Guys, we have to check. It has been cooking for 25 minutes in a slow medium flame, and slow flame. See, as you can see, nice, isn't it? So you just have to poke this. See, it's come out clean. So I think this is cooked. So this is fine. Let's cook my banana cake. So now this is how it is. We have to transfer in a plate. And it is hot and it is hot. So now this is our banana cake. My daughter is taking a shower actually. She is in the bathroom. Keep quiet, Bella. So now, very nice. So you just have to cut it. Just have to wash this one. Just have to cut. See, as you can see, it's just so hot. But as you can see, it's very moist and soft. Happy Wednesday to everyone.
Now I want my right here.
Yes. And today, I'm gonna make a banana cake.
Banana cake, guys.
And for this, we need the following ingredients. I need 2 bananas. It's a ripe banana. And this is the all-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour.
And I'm gonna need some raisins as well.
And we need some salt.
Salt. And actually, I need brown sugar, but I don't have a brown sugar. Instead, I'm gonna use white sugar.
And we have this.
Chocolate chips.
How do you go now?
This is chocolate chips. We need vanilla essence.
Vanilla essence. And we need
baking powder. And baking soda.
Baking soda.
And of course, we need the
melted butter.
Yes. And what is this?
Milk.
Yes.
I use milk when I
and
want
we
to
need
drink.
some, what is this?
Peanut.
Peanuts.
I always use milk if I want to drink.
Yes.
I drink in the baby bottle.
And also, I just want to finish this few almonds, chopped almonds. I just want to finish this off. So I'm gonna put this on the top, just like garnishing. And I'm gonna also mix with flax seed. Actually, this is very healthy and this is gluten-free. So as you can see, certified gluten-free. So I like this one. This is very healthy actually. This is good to mix with muffins, or if you make a cupcake or cakes. Just have to put like one-third cup. That will be sufficient. So now we just have to mix all these ingredients first. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you.
Egg.
We need egg. But of course, if you're vegetarian, just no need for the egg. But since I'm not, I'm putting egg. So,
Because Mama wants to be a vegetarian.
So now, Isabella will
Smash the banana.
Banana. She gonna smash it?
Can I get this a bit?
No, not that. The fork you have to put. Yes.
I love banana.
Yes.
Smash.
Smash it.
Just this?
No, you have to do like this. Smash like this.
Okay. God.
While Isabella is mashing the banana, let's just fry in oil our
Wait.
raisins. And now we have a pan here. We just have to put little of oil, since we only have to fry the what we call raisins, because my peanut is already roasted, so I don't have to fry it. So now this is fine. Now we can put it inside. Just have to cook this. I'm gonna cook my banana cake in an improvised oven. Actually, no, yes, a yes, oven. This is my DIY oven.
Mama.
So they just have to cook this. And this is fine. Just have to remove it. So I'm using this. This is my improvised DIY oven. Okay, so now this is done. And now our banana is already smashed. Now we have to transfer it here. Can you put the TV slow down, Laila, please?
I already did.
And now I'm gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Is enough. And 1 cup of milk. And they just give a good mix. And we have to put our butter. And where's my... First, this is I'm gonna baking tray. So I just have to brush with what we call this butter, so it doesn't stick. Actually, this is non-stick, but I just want to put the butter. And now, here comes, we have to put our butter inside. And we can add this. Can mix it up. And just a dash of salt, not too much. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then mix. I'm gonna put some 1/3 of sugar. So I just have to estimate 1/3 cup. I think this will be enough. we have to add our egg. Bang. Then give a good mix. Perfect. The consistency is perfect. And now we have to add our, just have to keep mixing it. And we have to add our chocolate chips. Just 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. I don't add so much. This is enough. Oh my god. Sorry. And then we're gonna put some flax seeds. This is the one, the flax seeds I'm putting in. Just I put one third cup. That's enough. That is enough. And then they just have to mix it. Okay, so let's just taste if it's okay. So the sugar is enough for me. I will not add more sugar, so this is perfect. This is very nice for snacking or to have it along with coffee. My husband likes it. So now, they just move it from here. I have your baking tray. Banana cake is just very easy, guys. You will finish it in no time. Right, Isabella?
Yeah. Mama,
Yes.
this thing really stuck by mistake. I sit on it by mistake. I did not see
Can you
it
put the
there.
AC, please? I'm feeling so hot. In Dubai, guys, it's very, very hot. Cannot live without AC. So now,
Why is it like this, Mama?
huh?
Drop.
It's okay. I'm just cleaning to clean it. So this is enough.
What is it?
And
Salt?
what we'll do, we'll use this also on the top. This is the almonds. I just want to finish this because it was been quite a while. It's lying there on the top of the fridge, so better finish it off. So I could bring new ones.
Just put the whole thing, Mama.
So, okay. This is perfect. Hey, stop eating, monkey. So now, let's just cook this one.
Cook it.
Cook it. So now, I put it here now. This is inside. So now, we just have to cook this. We have to check. It has been cooking for 25 minutes in a slow medium flame, and sorry, slow flame. See, as you can see, nice, isn't it? So you just have to poke this. See, it's come out clean. So I think this is cooked. So this is fine. Let's cook my banana cake. So now, this is how it is. We have to transfer in a plate. Make this hot. So now, this is our banana cake. My daughter is taking a shower actually. She is in the bathroom. Keep quiet, Bella. So now, very nice. So they just have to cut it. Just have to wash this one. Just have to cut. As you can see, it's just so hot. But as you can see, it's very moist and soft. So just have to cut. So now it's see, soft and moist as well. I like it. So now let's just have a taste. I really like it. I love it. Oh my god. Very nice. This is really perfect with the coffee or snacks for the kids, and it's very, very healthy as well. So I hope you like my banana cake recipe today, and I hope I'll see you to my next one. And please be safe and take good care of yourself. Bye!
And